Okay, today in this video, what we're going to do is show you the Actions Canvas menu. So let's come up here to the wrench, also called a spanner. That's the Actions menu. And we're going to go over here to Canvas. The first thing in here is Crop and Resize. Now, you can see that I have a picture that I just put in here so that we could have something to work with. We're going to go to the Crop and Resize. And if we go to Settings and we turn on this chain here, it links the height and the width. The DPI on this is set to 900, and I really need it at 900, but we'll get to that. With the chain link turned on here, you can move any of these handles and it will evenly resize our canvas. If that is not what you're looking for, let's go to Settings. We'll turn that link off. And I just want this to be right around this picture that I have here. I want to crop it down to that. That should give me more layers if that's what I'm looking for. You can do a resample canvas. You can use snapping, which causes your bounding box that you have created to center. There we go. And then let's turn that snapping off. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. And let's go ahead and change this DPI to 300. Don't need any more than that. I'll do resample canvas and we'll click on done. As you can see, that resizes the canvas. It's a quick and easy thing. The next one under the canvas menu is animation assist. And let's set up for that. I'm going to use the eraser tool. I'm going to erase this pop of smoke here. And then we're going to turn on the animation assist. And that's right here. If I tap on this center picture right here, I can tell it to be either the foreground or the background. If it's the foreground, it's going to be in front of everything. If it's the background, it's going to be behind everything. So I'm going to set it as the background. And I'm going to add a frame. And in this frame, I'm going to zoom in. I have the smoke from Elements selected. And I'm going to put some smoke going up in here. And then I will add another frame. And we will gradually move this smoke up and off of our frame. So now, if I click on play, you'll see that it jumps real fast. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to reduce the frames per second. It's a very short animation. Basically, somebody just put out the fire in their chimney. And I'm going to hit pause on that. And this is the way you use the animation assist The page assist is if you want to export your file as a PDF. You turn that on, and now you don't get the onion skin. You get just the individual frames, including your main frame here. You can add pages to it, and then whenever you save it as a PDF file that another program will then be able to import as separate layers. As you can see, you can have this one as the background with page assist or not. Now we're going to go up here. I'm going to turn off the page assist, and the drawing guide is one that I have gone over with another tutorial. I'm going to try to link that right up here. I will also link it to the end card, and I will put a link in the description. You then have the flip horizontal and the flip vertical. And you'll notice that this is flipping everything horizontal and vertical. If you want to just flip one thing horizontal and vertical, you would select that and do it that way. But if you want the entire screen, all of your layers to get flipped, you can flip it that way. And that will do all of your layers. Our next is the canvas information. And on About This Artwork, you can put your name in here and sign it. And then when you click the Done up here, that will permanently mark this PROcreate file as your creation. This will allow you to save the PROcreate file as a digital copy that you can then give or sell to other people through various platforms. Dimensions tells us the width and height of our canvas. You've got the pixel and you've got the physical, which is in inches. And the DPI, which remember we changed from 900 to 300. It'll give you the layers. The maximum number of layers that I can have here on my brand new state-of-the-art iPad is 1,000. I've used 8, so I have 992 available. This also tells you how many layers are assisted, how many have clipping mask, how many have layer masks, and how many layer groups you have. A layer group is when you slide all these together and you say group, this new group here is a layer group. So if we go back to canvas information and layers, you can see that I have one layer group. The color profile, I use sRGB. You can change it to any of the profiles that you see on this page. You'll notice that CMYK is not available here. Since it's a red, green, blue profile, you can only change it to other red, green, blue profiles, and of course the native display P3 profile for PROcreate. Under video settings, you'll see that we have a video length of 3. Basically that's less than 3 seconds, I think. Video file size, the video resolution, the video quality, video codec, all of those can be set in your settings for your iPad. If we go down to statistics, it'll tell you that I've made 31 strokes. It's tracked 25 minutes because I was doing things with this before I started the video. and it gives the total file size on your iPad. And we can click Done here. And then once again, this drawing guide and the edit drawing guide here, I am linking you in the description, and hopefully if I did it right, there would have been a card up over here at that time. Well, thank you very much. I hope that this has helped you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.